that at 12 o'clock everything closes. I'm not trying to pull it here. Mine was that 2 o'clock noon sa Davao. It was 2, then I reduced it to 1. When the boxing mayor there became mayor, she reduced it to 6. Walang order, no orders in advance. So we have ordered already, so you can close, but we have to drink. Itong ngayon, at 12, everything closes down. Nobody works. So I think that we should adopt it. Most of the states, in many states, in many countries, gano'n man. Alas 12, sarado na talaga. We have to stop drinking. And jukebox, they're only good up to 8, 9. 8 maganda. It's there in every corner store. Blares out noise. And the children will go to school and the working class. And you are there with your store. I have prohibited it in Davao. And at 12, as you see, Davao is quiet. Because everybody is resting already. Be it in the memorial parks, cemetery, or in the comfort of their homes.